So this is the Ozark Trail Instant Setup Shower Shelter. So the shelter on the back comes with the shelter itself and also a rainfly along with a bunch of accessories. But we're going to show you how to set up the shelter. Set up the shelter, we're going to take the four legs, let them drop down by the sides. Then we're going to pull up on these middle parts right here. They'll pop right out as you do it. Then you'll see that the shelter's like this. What we're going to do right now is we're going to put the rainfly on top because you don't want to do it when it's way up high up in the air, especially for people at my height. So while you have the shelter down, you're going to put the rainfly over the top. Okay, the next step after you get the rainfly on is just to extend these legs up. Pull up on these, and eventually it's going to pop out a little metal part that comes out and locks in. We'll do that to all four legs. Good job, bud. Okay, then you gotta take your rainfly, which is already on there, and we're gonna take the little Velcro tabs, and we're gonna attach them right to the tops here. Final step to securing the rainfly is just take the elasticized hooks and put them right into these little hoops right here. And they should be taut when you get them done. So, very last step would be to take these guidelines, extend them out, and stake them down. They give you enough stakes to stake down the shelter and the rainfly. So we're gonna show you how to stake down the shelter next. So to stake down the shelter, you have these little straps right here. You just stick the provided stake, drill it at a 45-degree angle, and you got to all four sides, and you'll stake down the shelter. And this is how you set up the shower shelter by Ozark Trail. The Instant Up, definitely worth getting the Instant Up compared to the other one because it takes less time. I'm going to take a look around the shelter. The material itself, it's nothing that is out of the ordinary. It's regular tent material. Nice logo on the bottom. These poles look really, really good. They're made out of metal, not fiberglass. It's kind of like a steel, so it looks like it'll hold together really well. On the top, you have a mesh, which will be covered by the rainfly in case there's inclement weather. You have a window on this side. You also have a window on the other side. Just want to show you though. It zippers down with two zippers, one on that side and one on this side. And that's what it looks like all the way up. This is your shower room. So there's a shower that comes with the shower shelter. You could also have this handy dandy shower tote. And on the bottom of the shower, it also has these two pockets where you can put even more stuff. Now Zach will open up the door and show us what is inside the changing room side of the shower shelter. So the zipper goes pretty well. Nice job, Zach. And inside the changing room portion, we have two pockets back there. We have Zach. Hi, Zach. You have this area with no windows. And like I said, it comes with some accessories. You could hang two cords that they allow from the top there, from these little buckles. And this is a clothes hanging bar basically, so you can hang your clothes from here while you're changing in the shelter. So on the changing room side, you have this door separating you and the shower. Zippers up, so you have no problems there. On the inside here, it has a nice little hook where you can hang a light off of this for nighttime changing. And on the top, I put this accessory that they include. It's just a little rooftop storage pocket, and that hangs from these two hoops that hang up there and the two loops on the sides. So the accessories are definitely usable and probably really good to have. And on the changing room side, you have these two pockets on the bottom. There's plenty of space here to get changed. Let's look at Zach in this changing room. So if we go up here, hey Zach, he's about half the height of the door. And then there's almost about 3/4 of a Zach above that. So for tall people, this will definitely work. Right, Zach?
Yep.
We've already tested the shower side, but as you see, the bottom is made out of a heavy-duty tarp material along with mesh along the side so that the water can go out. It also has two pockets on the bottom for storage. And again, this handy storage tote for shampoo, soap, stuff like that. And that is an accessory that just attaches to the four little circle things on the sides. Again, you have the windows, which you can zipper up both of them. This one's down just to show you, has two zippers, one on each side. This one is zippered up with both zippers up. Definitely provides privacy and security to the best that a tent can, of course. And yeah, let's step right in here. And if we look up, this is where the camp shower that is included with this hangs. Has a nice metal piece right here, and again it has a loop right there to hang a light from. We're gonna put some water in this camp shower, not much, just a little bit, and we're gonna show you how this camp shower works.
Can't wait, can't wait, can't wait.
So now we have the camp shower. It's filled about, I would say, 25%, and we have to hang it on that metal rod. It has this plastic rod on the inside, and I'm probably gonna need 2 hands to put it up there. So let's see if it'll hold this weight, which it definitely should, seeing that this shower came with the shelter. At 25% full, it's definitely holding, no problem. It's holding right off the middle of the shelter there. And if you leave this out, it tells you the times. If it's exposed to an hour of the sun, it should be around 80 degrees Fahrenheit on a 70-degree Fahrenheit day. 3 hours in a 70-degree Fahrenheit day, and the sun should be at 105. The shower itself has this tube. I mean, it's not the best design, but again, it came with the shelter. And a tube that's kinking up just a little bit, so you have to get the kinks out. And it comes with this little holder for the valve. That's where you store it. So to use it, we're gonna pop it out of there. And it just has this simple little valve that I'm gonna let Zachary show, because it looked like he definitely wants to do it. And you're just gonna push this up though. The water's gonna pop out due to the pressure on the inside. So, you see that it's refilling. I'm gonna get out of the way. I'm gonna let Zach have some fun. All right, Zach, you ready? Turn the shower on, bud. And there you go. It's got a pretty good spray. But if you lift it up, thanks to the kinking of the hose, it's not going to provide great water pressure if you lift it like that. But you can definitely rinse you off. Definitely a cheap one. But if you keep it down, obviously gravity's going to help you. And the tarp itself, along with the mesh, will definitely get all the water out, and it will dry over time. So the shower itself, it'll definitely work. You might want to get a battery powered shower instead. And as you can see the water level on the inside, because the back is clear, so that's always a good thing to have. Zach, have a little more fun, bud. Spray that thing down. In the shower only, please. So to break down the shelter is pretty easy. You have these little metal tabs sticking out here. You just push it in, and the legs will start to go down. We gotta get all 4 on all 4 sides. Once you get those 4 legs down, you're gonna bend right where these cloth things are, and you can push the legs in. And finally, you're gonna pull up all 4 legs. Roll the excess around and make sure that you get the rainfly too, and you wrap that around. And then you just tie it with the 2 little straps they have and put it back in the bag. It's as easy as that. It also comes with a tent floor repair kit in case there's any problems. It does look heavy duty, but it's nice not to include this. Just be really careful with it. It's that tarp material, and it'll probably stick to it. And that is our review of the Ozark Trail shower shelter. Instant Up. It is an excellent thing to buy. It's a little expensive, I won't lie. For what it is, it's definitely a little expensive. I got it on sale right now. I just checked again. It even went lower than what I paid for it. We will be using this during our next camping trip, right, Zach? We're going to a beach to camp overnight for 2 nights, and we'll be using this for showers and stuff, seeing that we'll probably be dipping ourselves in the ocean and stuff. But if you'd like to purchase your Ozark Trail Instant Up shower shelter, please look for a link in the description below. We'll say to Amazon, where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. Also hit that bell notification icon. It'll help us out greatly. And as always, have a great evening. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.